In this video, I'm going to be sharing how I built this DIY pallet coop for our ducks. It is the newest part of our bird area that we call Hagrid's Haven. This coop is made from 10 old pallets and a few sheets of galvanized sheet metal that we got from a local sheet metal manufacturer for about $10 per sheet. Stay tuned and I will show you the step-by-step build of this DIY pallet coop for under $50. Show you a little more of our bird area and the updates and what's going on around here, and tell you about this awesome collaboration.
Thank you so much for being here. The Vineyard chicks include me, DIY Trie, Bunkie, our little gardener, and Professor KK. Now back to the video.
This is not Hagrid of Hagrid's Haven. This is Buckbeak, and that's Griffin. Yeah, good boy, good boy. Hagrid's Haven is located between the vineyards of the Monticello, Bunkie's garden, and Erebor, where the Nigerian dwarves dwell. You know, Rocco Kinshield, Thorin Kinshield, and Peakinshield. Biffer, Boffer, Feely, Keely, Towern, Bobby, and Mary the Cheshire Goat. And brand new babies today. Update to follow soon, so stay tuned on our channel. That is their house. That is the first building that I made this spring, and they are definitely due for an upgrade. Boom. Buckbeak and Griffin have grown so much since we got them. They're already about 4 feet tall, and they need to duck a little bit when they go into their house. So this build will be coming soon. Good thing I love building cool stuff so much. Almost as much as Buckbeak likes eating cool stuff. I guess I like to eat cool stuff too. You can really stretch your neck. Those are our ducks. They just finished a nice long day in the vineyard and they are ready to come home. You guys want to come in? Come on. How did that chicken get out? This is the chicken coop. It is not made out of pallets. And if you've been following me, you'll know that when I was staining this thing red, Bunkie decided she wanted to help, and she just got stain all over the emus. And Buckbeak still has paint on him, so. You can check out my chicken coop roofing video to see more about this build, and I am hoping to get the full-on build video out later. And over here are the Gringotts goblins. I recently had to move these guys out of the chicken tractor in our moving day video because they were getting too big to be in there. I'm going to put links for all of these videos in the description below, so if you'd like to, you can go check those out. This is the DIY pallet coop for our ducks. I decided to build a pallet coop for our ducks after discussing the idea with Miss Stephanie from 10 Kids in a Garage. They have turkeys, ducks, chickens, and yes, 10 kids and a garage. Of course, a couple of her children have moved out to have their own kids. In addition to their backyard poultry, she's also a homeschooling mom. And she does some really great cooking, including cooking with the air fryer, which KK and Bunkie have decided to start trying to do. I decided to steer clear from the cooking arena because I didn't want to blow up the kitchen with my cooking history. We'll leave a link in the description for Miss Stephanie at 10 Kids in a Garage, so please go check her out. She has already put up her DIY pallet coop video, And if you would like to join, put it under, you can use the hashtag DIY Pallet Coop and just leave a link in the comments so that we can go see your design. And this is mine. Now, how did I build it?
For this build, you will need 10 pallets, which you can get for free, 5 sheet metals that are about $10 each, some roofing screws, which are $12 a box, and any spare scrap wood, which, being it's scrap, is free. You'll also need ducks, or whatever animal you plan on keeping in there. My first step is to create the simple outline using pallets. I created an L shape using my pallets. To keep my pallets together, all I'm doing is using small scrap 2x4s or other scraps to screw each board together. Once I've finished the structure, I'm going to place long 2x4s across the back side for a slanted roof. This is why everyone's roof is slanted, because I don't think anyone else wants to stand on the roof shoveling snow in negative 10-degree weather. Oh well. After that's in, I can place the sheet metal on the roof. I put wood across the house to act as support beams, but my camera ran out of charge, so I don't have footage of that. Next, I can put the metal sheets for the back sides in too. I'm using roofing screws to put these in that are spare from when I put up the turkey pen. I used it for their roof too. After that, I can fancyify it. I'll probably stain it red later. We really like red. And then I'll add some shavings for comfort. Instant duck house. But what should I call this place? KK's already taken the Lord of the Rings theme with her Kinshield dwarf goats, Erebor, Gondor, and the Middle-earth pasture. My bird area is all for Potterheads. Hagrid's Haven, Hogwarts, Gringotts, Goblins. But what should I call my new duck home? If you have any ideas at all, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you! Thanks again for being here. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.